All right, today is Friday, February 21st, 10:15 a.m. This is Jerry Furst with Traders Education Network. We're going to talk about Abercrombie and Fitch, or however you want to call it. They're going to come out with earnings on February 26th, so we've got about a week to go. Right now, their charts are showing that they are in the middle of a trend channel. We have noticed the way up on the top, up to 53. We're trading at 35 right now, and we have lower support at 30.70. We already have one trade on where retail has been struggling lately. It's not expected that any of these retailers, let alone the luxury brands, are doing well. So right now we have, as far as ANF goes, we currently have a 28 put purchased for 50 cents. We have 56 days. It's trading down, but right now ANF is actually trending up. And so the implied volatility chart is showing that we're creeping up on the implied volatility. We'll probably go up a little bit more, and then we're going to have that volatility crush probably back down to the 35 range, and we're currently up at 53. So if we go into the trade finder, so looking at different trades, it looks to me as if the April 43 call is going to be the best trade of the bunch. Let me see here. April 42 for 50 cents, or the May 43. April 42 or May 43. I think I like this one better. The April 42 calls for 50 cents. Okay, so we've got, here's the risk-reward graph for 5 of the April 42 calls. If we were to get up to 41, we would be with a $250 excursion, possibly making $1,000. And we're not going to have too much of the volatility crush, and we can even adjust for that. Notice the volatility on the near term in the volatility cone is way up here. The April is still, it might come down a little bit, but not much. So it really doesn't matter to that. Your volatility crush is going to come back out. This will come down a little bit. It'll probably all come down just a little drop. And let's go ahead and see how that affects the risk reward. So instead of making 1,058, once I hit OK, it recalculates it and says, well, so you'll only make $788. So there's the implied volatility crush after earnings. So that's a good risk reward, about 3 to 1. So the April 42 call. Okay, so here we are in the trading platform, and you can see that the bids between 44 and 49. And let's take another look at the charts. Take a look at ANF. The 1 minute chart is showing that it looks like it wants to pull back a little bit. It's moved nicely this morning from 34.70 to 35.32. Nice little breakout to the upside. It looks like it wants to retrace a little bit. So there's a chance we can probably get a better price. So why don't we go ahead and try to buy at the bid. Let's go back to the trading platform over here. And so let's go ahead and hit, let's go ahead and see if I can, notice the ICE is looking 39 cents to sell. Let's see if I can direct the trade over to the ICE for 42 cents and see what happens. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to bring this down to 5. I'm going to go ahead and select the exchange. Well, it defaults to the ICE right now. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and say I want to buy it. $2.39. So I want to buy 5 of the April 42 calls. I want to double check my risk reward graph. April 42 calls. Let's see what option view says I should be paying. Saying that I should be paying about 46 cents right now. So let's see if they'll give it to me for a little bit less. So I'm going to put it in at, it says the natural is at 50 cents right now. Oh, and you can only do nickel increments. That's strange. Let's see if I get it for 45. It's a 238 excursion. Send it. So they're asking 47 cents now. Let's just go ahead and see if they have a pullback. I'll probably get in at 45 cents. All right, so I've been waiting now for quite a little bit of time now. You can see that my order for 45 cents is still waiting. They're asking for 50 cents. The mark is 48.50. I'm going to go ahead and push this order through. Let's see if I do a cancel and replace. I want to bump it up to 50 cents and put it in. And you can see that now I'm the best bid right here. They're bidding 50 by 51 right now. Watch, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cancel this trade, and I want to push this through to the CBOE. I want to cancel, let's see if I just do the cancel replace order, and I'm going to go to the CBOE. Watch it get filled. And I'm waiting. Again, all the other orders, I'm sitting out there by myself at 50 cents. ANF is okay, there you go. I just got filled. Even as ANF was going up, the little diddle-lip is the bell that says that I got my fill at 50 cents. There's my order. And so now my position is I'm 5 long of the 28 puts, and I'm 5 long on the 42 calls. Let's go ahead and open up option view.